Starting a video log of our rebuild process. We have the forms done for our foundation being poured. There you see plumbing for the bathrooms. Our master bedroom and bedrooms are going to be over there. Here is where our front porch is. Our garage. Another bathroom and laundry room. Back behind the garage there is going to be a bonus room. Our kitchen, dining room. Then we're going to have a great room. Back there is our nice little shed that we were given by a donation. The back fence, all done by donation. I think we had to pay maybe $500 to get that back fence as our contribution, but it surrounds our entire neighborhood. Rebuild North Bay was really instrumental in getting that going. And this video log will just be about the progress that we're making and how we're making it. Today is the first day of this log. May 31st, 2019. Recovery from the fire from October of 2017. The Tubbs fire came through here. Our neighbors getting really good, moving along. There's our current bathroom right there, nice porta-john. And the whole neighborhood starting to come back. Lots of houses, lots of construction going on. And there's our other neighbors. So we are finally moving along. And hopefully I can continue to do these and continue seeing the progress. Thanks for watching.